Legal dictation at 1:60 WPM for upcoming Kolkata High Court exam. Leave granted. Mr. X, in this appeal, has challenged the order and judgment passed by the trial court and the High Court of Delhi, upholding his arrest by the Directorate of Enforcement 1 on 21st March 2024. A number of legal pleas and issues have been raised, including the scope and violation of Section 19 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, 2002. We have heard learned counsel appearing for both the appellant as well as Doe at some length, albeit hearing is yet to conclude and considered decision will take time. In view of the prolongation of proceedings, in the hearing held on 3 May 2024, we had put the parties to notice that the court may examine the question of grant of interim bail release. Accordingly, we have heard arguments on the said aspect. Doe had registered ESA No. HIU 14/2022 on 22 August 2022 pursuant to registration of the predicate offences by the Central Bureau of Investigation to on 17 August 2022 in RC No. 003-022A0053 under Section 120-B read with Section 447 of the Indian Penal Code, 1860 and Section 7 of the Prevention of Corruption Act, 1988. This RC was registered on the complaint dated 20th July 2022 made by the Lieutenant Governor of the Government of NCT of Delhi and on the directions of the competent authority conveyed by Director, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. The investigation by the Doe resulted in filing of the first prosecution complaint on 26 November 2022. The special court took cognizance on 20th December 2022. Thereafter, Doe has filed 4 supplementary prosecution complaints. CBI has filed a charge sheet, followed by 2 supplementary charge sheets. However, charges have not been framed. At this stage, it is not possible for us to either conclude the arguments or finally pronounce the judgment. However, there is an intervening factor which has prompted us to consider and pass the present order, namely 18th Lok Sabha general elections, which are in progress. As the appeal is pending before us, we do not think it would be proper for us to direct the appellant. Thank you. See you again next video.